Welcome back, guys. Bostra14 here. Today, I'm just showing you a quick video that the sun's out. As you can see, the sun's out, but it's raining like crap right now. It's raining, as you can see on the ground and out there. Yeah, right now we are getting some rain at the moment, but the sun's out. That's the problem I don't get. The sun's out, you can see, but it's raining. Sorry I haven't been posting anything for the past few weeks. I've been busy for school. I got out 2 weeks ago, and I've been helping some people. I've been helping some people at my church, so I didn't have any time to upload. Oh, jeez, upload any videos. And right now my goal is try to get 10 subscribers or 20 subscribers. So please help me out with that. Tell your friends about my channel, and just smack the crap out of this like button for this video. And yeah, it's getting bad, guys. It's getting bad. So don't forget to smack the like button. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Posture14 here. Out.